So I am trying an external mic. It's quite windy, so it's quite a good test. It'll be interesting to see how it compares actually to the internal mic in the GoPro. This is the DJI mini mic, I think it's called, but it's like a little microphone. I've got it clipped in under my jersey on the right hand side, so the same side I'm holding the camera on. I didn't attach the wind muffler. I'm seeing how it goes. I say wind muffler, it's like a little bit of fur that sticks on top of the mic. I want to see how it goes without it, just because under the top I'm hoping the fabric of the top is enough just to do the job, but we'll see when I get this back how it goes. But if it is good enough, that'll be really great, because where I've been making videos, it has been a very windy year and you get a lot of noise across the mic on the internal mic in the GoPro. So yeah, hoping that you can hear me basically, and hoping that it's not savage wind noise, because there is a very strong crosswind right now. So let's see how that goes. In terms of the bike ride, I'm going to do a really short one today. As you can see, it's super sunny. I've been away for the week, traveling for work. I've been in New York, probably my least favorite place to visit, to be honest. I've been there quite a few times for work. Always the kind of midtown Manhattan area, Times Square. It's just really busy, really noisy, really loud. Not my vibe, you know. So glad to be back. It was a very useful trip. Like, I think having that human connection with the people you work with, like getting to meet them in person, makes a huge difference. And I really enjoyed the time I got with the team. In particular, we did lunch every day, which was just super fun, to be honest. It's nice to hang out with them, you know. I work with them every day, and because it's Zoom and because it's work focused, you don't get to know people as well. But when you get to hang out with them over lunch, you get to find out a little bit more about them as human beings, which is really nice. So I did enjoy the trip from that perspective, but I'm glad to be home, and I'm very glad to be back on a bicycle. Actually, while I was out there, I didn't have a bike with me. New York is not a great place to ride a bicycle, I think. Certainly not the Manhattan part that I was in. So I found another way to exercise. I jumped on Komoot like I'd normally do with a bike ride, and I looked for running routes. And I found a really nice running route along the Hudson, like an isolated path. There was a bike path actually as well, to be fair, but the running path was right by the river or ocean, I don't know, or water. And along the route there's just all these points of interest dotted along the way, so that was nice actually. But I'm back. I am just doing a very short afternoon ride. It's Saturday, just to see what's in the legs, with the view that I will do a much bigger ride tomorrow. And actually, legs feel okay. They feel a bit heavy, but they feel okay. So hopefully I'll be all right for tomorrow. And yeah, hopefully this chat that we're having is audible and not full of really loud wind noise. I'll be interested to see if that's the case. think I am 21 kilometers in. Feeling okay, a little bit sleepy, still got a bit of jet lag, but it's not too bad to be honest, given I only landed back mid-morning yesterday. Legs feel quite heavy from, I guess, the running and the travel, but again, not too bad. So I think I should be alright for a big ride tomorrow. I've actually got quite a big ride coming up next weekend. Bizarrely, I signed up for the Tour of Pembrokeshire, which is a 100-mile ride in Pembrokeshire. Going to be doing it with a friend. I think my plan at the moment is just to stay with him and we'll just hang out and do the ride. We won't treat it like we're trying to get a time. The opposite, in fact. Just treat it like an opportunity to hang out on bicycles, have a chat, go for a big bike ride somewhere a bit different. So I'm looking forward to that. Haven't seen him in a while. So yeah, feeling good. Got some fun stuff coming up. So yeah, all in all, nice little bike ride.